Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Midnight Sun Oracle by Selena Moon, Magical Messages from the Nordic Midsummer. This is published by Rockpool and it retails for $24.95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. And thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. I am very excited. It looks gorgeous. Bring the magic of midsummer into your life. The Midnight Sun Oracle is a culturally inspired deck with themes derived from the Swedish midsummer celebration, also known as Litha. This is the time for families, friends, and communities to come together and celebrate the summer solstice with playfulness and joy. The cards bring you the messages, symbols, and rituals associated with the festival, offering energy, guidance, and inspiration through the love and light of midsummer. Includes 36 cards and a guidebook. All right, it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love all the flowers all around the deck there. Midsummer's magic unites hearts, honoring traditions with love, light, and joy. Very cool. All right, here's the guidebook before we get into the flip through here. Love the colors. Table of contents, so introduction, how to use the cards, spreads, and then it goes into each card with a page number. Love that. Color printed. Midsummer is a public holiday, and since 1953, Midsummer's Day always occurs on the Saturday between 20 and 26 June and Midsummer's Eve on the Friday before. However, some other European countries still celebrate Midsummer on John the Baptist's birthday on June 24th. It goes into more information. This deck is designed to bring the energy of midsummer to you. Regardless of the time of year or if you celebrate the season, you can benefit from using these cards. Each card has two main keywords, but I encourage you to find your own meaning by studying the imagery and seeing what resonates with you, what you see in the cards, and what meaning you take from it. All the visuals for each card are created to inspire intuitive reading with multiple symbols incorporated for you to draw inspiration from. Awesome. Then we have some spreads. We have the wreath spread, 7 flowers, maple. Oh, that's so cute. And then the Midnight Sun spread. Oh, lovely. And then it goes into the cards. It's all color printed. Awesome. We'll get back to the guidebook after the flip through. Take this wrapping off. Oh, it's purple gilded edges. Oh my gosh. How fun. There's the back. Beautiful. Okay. Cardstock, not too thick, not too thin. I'm not mad at it. It's snapping back just fine, very flexible, so I'm sure it'll shuffle just fine. And I wouldn't call it a gloss or anything like that. It has like a slight sheen to it, but I'd call it a matte. Okay, here we go. No borders. We do have a number and then the title and then 2 keywords here. So I'll just read the bottom here because sometimes it's hard to see on film. So maypole, manifestation, and pride. Wreath, self-love, and beauty. It's really pretty. Very dreamlike. Red clover, abundance and cultivation. Bluebell, rarity and appreciation. Marguerite, gift and answers. Ring dance, action and fun. Cute. Layer upon layer of images there. Very cool. Singing, connection and outlet. Feast, indulgence and contribution. Belonging, togetherness, welcoming. Beautiful. Bright night, enchanting and discovery. Country road, imperfection and journey. Cute. Ooh, midnight swim, freedom and self-sufficiency. Summer romance, love and lust. Frogs, self-expression and carefree. Children, giving and playfulness. Rain, cleansing and emotions. Lover's dream, present moment dream. Pentathlon, teamwork and exploration. June, beginnings and balance. Love the Gemini imagery there. Skinny dipping, non-judgment and self-care. Holiday, relaxation and positivity. Strawberries, attention and fertility. Love strawberries. Oak, stability and strength. Magical night, limitless and peace. Midsummer broom, clearing and protection. Oh, that's so pretty. A broom made up of flowers. Bare feet, grounding and roots. Love that. Celebration, highlight and excitement. Sunset, cycle and ending. Heal, energy and value. This is very sweet. Juicing, change and transformation. I like the layered imagery. I didn't think that this would be something that I would be drawn to, but I like it on a level of like intuitive hits because you're seeing one thing at a time, at least for me. Healing power, healing and transition. Midsummer Night's Treasure, mystery, past, present, and future. Future divination, clarity and guidance. Dress, the divine femininity. Spirits and drinks, refreshment and ritual. And Midnight Sun, creativity and bonding. What a fun deck. It is similar to like the Seasons of the Witch series where it's about a specific season, but in its own way, own little twist. Yeah, not bad shuffling at all. Very flexible. It snaps back. One more time. I want to try it this way. Oh, I prefer it side to side like that because it is a wider deck. So with my hands, I like to try to play around with different ways to shuffle each deck I get. What feels more comfortable for me in my hands. Okay, can I get a deck to read, or can I get a card to read, please? Shuffle's great this way too, by the way. This one came out. Feast, indulgence, and contribution. Just a reminder. Okay. As with any other big holiday or seasonal celebration, there is no midsummer without a lot of food and feasting with your family and friends. It is common to have a buffet with many food options or bring your own setup where everyone contributes and shares what they brought. As it's summer, seafood is common to see on the dinner table, especially pickled herring, which is a signature dish on the Swedish midsummer buffet. And then it goes into a message. I really like this because then you're learning about how they celebrate in that specific region. That's really cool. All right, the message. The feast is a means to connect and share joy and love and to enjoy the highlights of the season. Food serves as a reason to bring people together, and the feast tells you to indulge and enjoy life to the fullest and to connect with your loved ones over a meal. It shows you that you have an abundance of options to enjoy in your life, and you don't necessarily need to follow what you have been taught. You can come up with your own ideas and options to enjoy your life to the fullest. The feast has something for everyone. Nobody needs to feel left out or unsatisfied. Sharing the food is sharing love, so take the opportunity to do the same and make sure you contribute to and enjoy the people in your life. Well, 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 what a sweet little deck here. I think it's fantastic. It's definitely a deck that you can use throughout the year, no matter what season you're in, if you feel connected to it. It's beautifully done. I did see diversity in here, which I wasn't expecting to see given the region of the deck, but I love that it's there. I really do enjoy the art style. It might not be for everyone, but for me, I find myself really enjoying it. So thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. I am really excited to get to know it a lot better. Look at that purple. It's just so pretty. And now I would love to know what you guys think. Is this a deck that you have had on your radar? Is it something you're excited about? I mean, the colors are just phenomenal. I think it's beautifully done. I would love to know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.